Hey guys, so today we're going to do a really easy and calming mindset and energy flow, which is a blend of Qigong and EFT tapping, just to get you started for the day or get you wound down in the evening. It's going to be simple, it'll be easy, like I said, so let's dive in. So let's start out by getting in our Qigong stance. So you're going to just stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to have a slight bend in your knees, just a nice little bounce. Your feet really grounded and rooted into the earth. Spine is nice and tall and elongated in the head or the crown chakra, pointing up towards the heavens. And you're just going to have your arms slightly away from the body just to let the energy flow throughout. So we're just going to stand here for a second, take one deep breath in, pull it all the way down to the belly. And out. Take your hands and go ahead and rub them together. We're just going to get some energy flowing. Starting on the inner brow, feeling calm and relaxed in my body. Feeling calm and relaxed in my mind. Present in this moment. Feeling grounded. Connected to my body. Ready to get my energy flowing. Ready to be present in this practice, my mind calm, my body relaxed. Drop your hand down, take another deep breath in. Feel your feet really rooted into the earth. Good. And we're just going to give it a nice little shake. It's just good to get your blood circulation, your lymphatic system moving, also get that energy starting to move. So just kind of leave your arms limp, your hands limp, and just give yourself a nice shake. Nice little bounce in your knees. You can turn at your torso. All right, and bring your hands together. You're going to interlock your fingers, bring them up to the heart chakra. We're going to twirl them around and lift up to the sky, stretching tall on the tippy toes, and then bending to the side. Coming back to center, you're going to inhale as you come up, exhale as you bend to the side. Again, inhale up, exhale. Give it a nice deep bend, feel that pull on the side. Don't do anything to hurt yourself, but make sure you're getting a nice stretch. Breathe in and exhale. One more time. Breathing in and exhaling. Let your arms float down. Get in, just do a wider stance. Float your arms up, breathe in. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, come up. And exhale, fold back. Come on up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. So you can see as you come up, you're going to bend at the knees, just fold your body down, slide your hands up the front, hands on your kidneys, and rolling back. One more time. Perfect. And just float your hands up and You want to step into a wider stance. It's up to you here how you want to challenge yourself. You can either get in horse stance, or you can stand just about a little wider than shoulder width apart. And what we're going to do is place our hands by each hip. You're going to reach out, inhale, or exhale, my apologies, twirl your wrist, pull in, inhale. Exhale, inhale. If you want to challenge yourself, exhale, inhale. Just kind of be fluid with the motions, going with the breath. So your speed is whatever your breath is. Exhaling, inhaling, pulling in. Just a few more. Bring your feet in. Center yourself. You're going to take your left leg out, have a nice bend in this leg, and you're going to reach back like you're giving a big hug, pulling your arms forward and pulling in. So inhale and exhale. Reaching the arms back as far as you can. Giving it nice and wide, stretching your arms. Rocking back and forth on your feet. Center, switching sides. Just having a nice flow and rhythm with the body. Again, going with the breath. One more. Inhale, stretch the arms wide. Exhale, pull in. Come back to center. Breathe in and exhale down. Again, turning to the side. We're going to push out with our arms and pull them back in. So kind of like a wave in the ocean, going out and coming back in. So I like to envision when I'm doing this move, just all of my worries and my fears or whatever troubles I'm having. Just push it out to sea and bringing in some hope and gratitude. So exhale, push out. Inhale, pull in. Just like the ocean's a tide, coming in and out. So nice fluidity, nice flow. And again, rotating sides. Pushing out. Pushing away that fear, that doubt, and pulling in gratitude and hope. And exhale, inhale. Exhale all that bad bad energy, bringing in all that good energy. And coming back to center. I'm going to lift this arm up. You're going to turn to the side, kind of like you're doing a little dance, extending this arm high, pointing this arm out, coming back to center, and rotating to the other side. So you're going to have a nice little bend in this knee. This leg is long and elongated. Coming back to center. We'll exhale, center. Inhale, turn. Exhale, center. Inhale, turn. Gazing out, far straight in front of you, straightening those arms, working those upper meridians, like your lungs and your heart, your small intestine. A few more here. Coming back to center. So bringing your feet back to shoulder width apart, nice slight bend in the knees. Just scooping up all that energy you cultivated. We're bringing it down the center of the body as we exhale. Inhale, scoop up. And exhale, come down. One more time, inhale, scoop up. And slowly exhale down. Very nice. Now go ahead and place your hands over your lower dantian. This is about a couple inches below your belly button. One hand over the other. And here we're just going to enjoy and cultivate all that energy and bring it down to our lower dantian. So taking a couple deep breaths in, and pulling all the energy into almost a small ball right in the center of our body. The lower dantian is almost like a battery storage pack, so we're just getting all that energy we cultivated. We're storing it for a rainy day or for later today, whatever it may be. We're breathing in through the nose. Feeling your belly come out and exhaling and feeling it draw into the spine. One more time. And out. Just a little tapping, feeling calm, feeling relaxed, present, feeling grounded. Energy flowing, mind and body healthy. Grateful for this day. Calm in my body and my mind, feeling present and grounded and grateful for this day. As always, thank you guys for practicing with me. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Also check out opalroots.com for more information and fun and alternative ways to heal.